try to make this one bigger.
She's praying on my downfall, hoping I'll never make it out of this town. She won't leave me alone.
Got him again, bud. Got him again. Got him again, bud. Not really again. Alright. I feel like they're all about this size. What you think about it, bud? What you think about it? Say, what you think about it? Oh, okay. They are just tearing this frog up. Alright guys, that's what we're looking at.